In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and customize stock or crypto charts on the Robinhood website. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or you're a more experienced trader looking to make quick chart adjustments, understanding how to get the most from Robinhood's chart tools can be really helpful. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and along the way, I'll provide some helpful tips to make sure you get the most detailed view of the stocks or cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Robinhood account through their website. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection to protect your personal information. This is especially important anytime you're managing sensitive financial data online. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on Robinhood's main dashboard. From here, look towards the top of the page for the search bar. This is your gateway to thousands of stocks and cryptocurrencies. Type in the name or the ticker symbol for the stock or crypto asset you're interested in. As you type, Robinhood should automatically suggest some popular options, making it easy to find exactly what you need. When you see the stock or crypto asset you want, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the details page, which provides a snapshot of the asset's recent performance and other important information. Now, to dive deeper into historical data and trends, look for the option labeled View on Legend. Clicking this will expand the chart, giving you a much more detailed perspective of how the asset has performed over time. If you want to personalize your experience further, you can customize the chart to suit your own trading or investing style. To do this, simply click on Chart Type. Robinhood offers different views, including candlestick charts and line charts. The candlestick chart provides more granular information about price movements over specific timeframes, which can be really helpful for more technical analysis. If you prefer a simpler representation, the line chart offers a clear view of the price trend over time. Don't be afraid to experiment with these styles to see which one best meets your needs. One really nice feature about Robinhood's chart tool is that once you've made your adjustments, your customized chart view will be automatically saved for future visits. That way, the next time you look up this stock or crypto, your preferred chart settings will be ready and waiting for you. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily access and personalize charts for any stock or crypto on Robinhood. This is a great way to make informed decisions based on clear visual data. Thanks for watching and happy investing.